Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brandon with Taylor's Fire Smoke Cooking. Welcome back into the channel. This is another edition of Smack on the Lackin. Today we are going to do NUGGS. Now, this will be my first soiree into the fake meat form. I am a self-proclaimed vegan. I've been on the meato diet for my whole life. I will continue to be on the meato diet. But I saw these in Walmart. I saw them at Sam's first, and I was like, I probably never will buy plant-based meat. But I saw these in Walmart, and they were clearanced out. So for $2, that's what they were clearanced out for. I was like, yeah, I'll definitely try them, and I'll make a video just to see if you might be interested in getting them as well. So we have the original, and then we have the spicy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in the air fryer, get them heated up, and we're gonna see if these things are smacking or lacking. So you guys stick around, and we'll see what's up. All right, guys. Now, right out of the box, they look exactly like chicken nuggets, like you would find at the store, like a Tyson chicken nugget or whatnot. So these are the normal ones, the regular ones. Even the name just saying simulate chicken. That's just odd to me, but I mean it is what it is. And then here are the spicy ones. You can see the spicy ones are darker. Generally, you know, you get spicy chicken somewhere, it is a little darker. So those are a little bit darker. And we're just gonna go ahead and give them a shot. So I'm gonna throw them in the air fryer, or yeah, the air fryer, and then when they're done, we'll come back out. All right, guys, we've got them out of the oven or the air fryer. Here's how they look. They look pretty good. They actually look similar to a McDonald's chicken nugget, and we all know that that's fake meat too. So, you know, these are right on the money. But they, you know, they look really good. So let's go ahead and get it bite and see if they taste good. Right, hold on. We're gonna go ahead and get a bite. I've got the original here, and we've got the crispy here. I have no sauce, no dipping sauce or anything like that. This is pure, unadulterated nug. I don't want any type of thing to hide the flavor. So first things first, the original. It is crispy. Now we'll try the spicy. If you can try to get it close up or not. See the inside. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let my girls have a taste too, so we'll all give our opinion to see if they're smacking or lacking. I'm not just gonna give you my opinion. They'll be the ones that eat them more anyway, so y'all sit tight. Hold on just a sec. All right, guys, I have my little girls with me. They're gonna be the ones to give it a shot, let you know what they think. Right here, we have Mariah. Say hello, Mariah.
Hi.
And then we have Micah. Say hello, Micah.
Hi.
You guys go ahead and grab a nug and see what you think. Get the other one, Micah. Well, she went right in for it. So, what do you think, Micah?
Good.
You think it's pretty good?
It's smacking.
Okay. What about you?
They're good, but they're not spicy.
Good, but not spicy. But would you eat them again?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all think they're smacking? Okay. Cool. So, hold on, guys. They liked them. I'm going to give you my opinion now. All right. They liked them, so that's the most important thing. They both thought they were smacking. She said it didn't taste really like, it wasn't spicy, but she liked the flavor. Me personally, I thought they were just meh. I wouldn't call them smacking. I wouldn't necessarily say they were lacking. They just were there. If I could try to compare it to anything, I would say it was similar to when we were kids at school lunch. You had a chicken patty. They would give you a chicken patty sandwich. That's kind of how it tasted. Like it wasn't real chicken necessarily, and it was just kind of like a bland meh sandwich where you couldn't wait to put ketchup or something on it. That's kind of how these nugs are. So they're not disgusting. The texture is pretty close, and they were crispy, so that's a good thing. But I wouldn't personally order them again for myself, but I will buy them again if I see them. One, because they were only $2 clearanced out, and my girls liked them, and that's the most important thing. So if they like them, they are fairly healthy as compared to a regular nugget. There is more saturated fat in the Tyson nugget. That's what I would compare it to as far as what we buy as opposed to those. And there is a few less calories in the nugs as well. So overall, I would say it's a push. They liked them. I wasn't the biggest fan, but you may want to try them for your kid too, especially if you can find them clearance out. So if you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Girls, say goodbye.
Bye.
And until the next time, I'll see you around.